Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to connect Gumroad to PayPal. The first time I tried connecting Gumroad account to my PayPal account, I assumed it would be just one-click setup, but there are a few things you need to complete first. Start heading to your Gumroad dashboard, open your account menu, and go to the payouts section. From there, jump into settings. You'll be asked to verify some details like providing a valid ID, proof of residence, and if you're registering as a business, confirmation that it's officially registered in your selected country. Make sure everything is accurate because changing your country later can affect your balance. Once that's saved, scroll on to payment methods. Under the PayPal section, you'll notice a few requirements. Your account needs to be compliant. You must have earned at least $100 and you need at least one successful payout. That means you'll have to start selling first. After meeting those conditions, the Connect with PayPal option becomes available. Have your PayPal login ready, follow the prompts, and once verified, payments made through PayPal will go directly into your account. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.